Hi all! In this video I am trying to show you how to write a code in Python that can automate the file deletion task. Imagine you handle a very large number of files and you find out that you don't want to keep those files anymore as it consumes a lot of space in your drive. For deletion, you may need to visit each directories and perform the task manually. But, using Python you can automate the whole process and in a single click you can remove the unnecessary file types. To demonstrate that, I made a dummy folder structure, multiple folders and subfolders, and I placed few file types inside each files. As you see, there are a quite number of text files and documents and few images like that. Now, we will write a simple 5-line code for automating the job. I use Spider here. As you know, Spider is a scientific Python development environment that is included with Anaconda. First of all, we need to import the operating system interface library, which is import OS. The OS module in Python provides functions for interacting with the operating system. OS comes under Python's standard utility modules. This module provides a portable way of using operating system dependent functionality. os.getCwd in Python returns the current working directory of a process. Just naming the current working directory location as root dir. We will just print and see whether it takes the folder correctly. Yes, it is. For reading the file names from all the folders and subfolders we need to write a loop. Subdir stands for subdirectories. And dir stand for directories. os.walk generates the file names in the directories and subdirectories by walking the tree either top down or bottom up in the root directory. Files can find out all files from root and directories. The loop for file and files counts all the files in the folder. We will print and see the file names in the Spider console to make sure it works. Yes, it is working fine. As you see, these are the files which I have placed in the folders. Now we need to get the file paths for each files. For that we can write a code. File path equals subdirectory plus os.sep plus file. The os.sep can separate the path name components. We will print and check whether it can read the file path for all files. Just hashing out the two print commands we used in above lines as we don't want to repeat the print again. Yes, the file paths are ready. Now, for deleting the files we are writing a condition. If we want to delete a specific file types from all folders, we need to recognize the file type first. For that, this condition checks the file type. Suppose you don't need to keep the text files and you are gonna delete it. You can use the .txt extension to identify the text files. If the condition satisfies, it will execute the delete command, which is os.remove. So, the code is ready. I just saved it. I have placed the Python code here. For executing the code you can either run through the Python console or just double-click also works. Before executing, keep in mind that we have a quite number of text files which is gonna disappear when I execute the codes. Here I am just gonna delete specific file types. You can also write a condition to delete the files by its name or by its date also. Here it goes. Yes, see it. All text files are gone. There is no more text files you can find out here. You will find its beauty when you have thousands or 10,000s of files to remove from multiple folder structure. One more example I can show you, like I want to remove all documents too. Just change the file extension in the code. I am changing it from .txt to .docs. These all documents will disappear here. Yeah, all gone. Now, if I want to completely sweep the folder structure, like I want to clear everything, For that, just remove the extensions so the condition satisfies for each and every files. See. All the files are gone, even the code we used to run, now it become a brand new folder structure. Before doing this, always make sure that you are placing the Python code on right folder. Otherwise, by mistake you may delete some useful files too. You can manipulate the code for deleting files which are older than a particular date, or delete files which has a size more than some X megapixel. These all you can change by manipulating the condition. I hope this helps. For any doubts, please comment below, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.